Hey guys, I heard the cabinet closed from upstairs. I'm gonna go check it out. What the heck? Hello? No one's home. My parents aren't home, my brother isn't home. What the heck is going on? What the heck, the piano's going? Oh, what the world? What the heck? What the heck is going on? What the heck is going wrong in this house? Hello? Hello? What the heck? 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 There's no one even there! Like, what the heck? Hello? I gotta move out of this house. I can't do this anymore.